You know what one of the most unfortunate things about productivity app software is? The fact that you can have all these different members in the workspace. You can feel like you can try to know people, know team members, but how are you gonna know them? What are you gonna do? Get another solution? No, you're gonna use SmartSuite. Well, there are other tools that are out there like Pingboard and whatnot. Inside of SmartSuite, we have a solution that allows you to learn more about your team members than you could have ever thought. So within SmartSuite, whether you're in a solution or just on the main page, you can go to the member directory by clicking this right here. As you can see, it's there. And then if I go into a solution, it's right there. And it's awesome. Like seriously, the fact that I'm able to go in here and first and foremost, what's my status? I'm on lunch. Okay, don't message me. Thanks. Clear after 1 hour. Really cool. Basically is very similar to what you'd see from something like a Slack and whatnot. So that's pretty sick. But in all seriousness, going into this, you can see that I can edit my profile and then change my image here. So let's get myself a little profile image, huh? I'm gonna put a little smile on my face. Gee. But yeah, you can use that, or you can sign into different third-party tools, or just take something from your device, or like me, take a very cheesy picture. And then you can obviously adjust your cover image. So I'm gonna get a little bit more abstract. You can change the size, up this uploaded photo, press update personal information, and then now I got the best profile with the mic and all. Anyways, I am able to, from the view of my own self, change, what the title is. I'm gonna put title. My title is video guy, department. I can pick a department. So for example, marketing. I can put my phone number in there, 555-555-555. I know, very, very advanced phone numbering here. I can put my office location. So for example, I can pick Chicago here, put my little city, put a little about me section. My birthday is February 21st. Put some of my hobbies: running, cooking, cleaning, lifting heavy weights, clearly. And I can even upload an entire biography about myself if that was the case, as well as I can put some relevant professional skills like video editing, videography, or video production. Ooh, it gives me advice on this. Audio production. True. This sounds pretty good, doesn't it? When's my work anniversary? Like a month ago. Put that guy in there. Social links, put my name in there, put my LinkedIn, all that kind of stuff. And anyone can go in and update this kind of information, right? So the goal here would be that if we go into the directory, you can see the video guy is right here, right? That's my title. Very accurate. And what can happen is you can display by birthday. So for example, we can see by February. Now, if I were to add other team members, they would then show up in this workspace. Really cool thing, if I download this card, it's a little V card file. This also can be exported as a vCard file, which is cool. But if I click on this, you can see it's got some nice hyperlinks, showcases where I'm at, what I'm about, my wonderful smile behind the microphone during this video. And while we know that SmartSuite has amazing capabilities from a grouping standpoint in views, we can group by all sorts of things. Display by company, department, online, or not. Offline, I'm not offline, as you can see, clearly not. Different types people I am, whether I'm an employee or a contractor. And you can really see quickly how this becomes an all-in-one solution at SmartSuite, right? We don't just have the ability for great team communication. We don't just have the ability to share stuff with external party members. We don't just have amazing automations. We can literally put a member directory inside of our productivity app. I mean, come on now. What other apps do this? Tell me. No, seriously, if you know one, comment down below. But if you don't, say I don't. And then it would be less awkward than whatever this last 20 seconds was. But regardless, this is a very robust opportunity for people to learn about each other. Like, what are people's hobbies? You can see if I put running, I'll pop up. But if I put I won't pop up. So clearly it's not just because I'm the only one there. The way that this works, if I put audio, it will also pop that up because that's something that's one of my skills, as well as you just saw with the hobbies. Now in this section, I can show profile visibility based off of whether it's just all the members and guests, or whether it's, by team, for example. So always display specific profiles, and email domain is an option as well. And then you can put none except the ones that are selected. So if I take that off, right, it would get rid of all the other possible people in the directory. Now, you cannot just invite members here and invite by different member types and the different workspace roles, but you also can create teams within this and then within its own specific view right here. If we go here, then press add team. So I can put content squad, create new team, then boom, you'd see it would create a different team. And then that adjusts how this sort of looks. And that can be adjusted, right? So if I, for example, were to put by team, it would then segment it by team in the member directory. Overall, this is a very simple and easy to use tool that can really allow us to find quick information about anyone. So whether you want to find other people in Chicago, people who do video production, people who like running, or people affectionately known as video guy, or even whether I'm online, offline, or having lunch at 2:06 in the morning, this is the kind of information you're going to get with the member directory. And you can learn more about SmartSuite and all of our other great features by checking this video out right here.